The Division of Public Health's child health clinics are here to help kids stay healthy all year long, and are now offering sports physicals by appointment in addition to their regular child health services. To find a location near you, check the screen or the video description. August is National Immunization Awareness Month, and a great time to make sure your family are up to date on vaccinations, particularly children who are headed back to school in the coming weeks and may need to catch up on their mandatory vaccinations. DELAhealth, the new podcast from DPH, launched its first episode featuring an interview with Office of Animal Welfare Deputy Director Joanna Miller. The podcast can be found on YouTube or Spotify, and the links in the video description. To coincide with the launch of the new DELAhealth podcast, the Division of Public Health has started a new YouTube channel under the handle DELahealth. The channel features full podcast episodes and short clips for viewers who want quick, targeted information. It will also spotlight both recent and past public health efforts from DPH. Follow at DE Public Health on YouTube to stay informed and connected. State offices, including all DPH offices, will be closed on Monday, September 1st, 2025, in observance of Labor Day. Offices will reopen at 8 o'clock a.m. on Tuesday, September 2nd. You can get healthcare without an appointment. A fully accessible DPH mobile health unit is on the streets, offering a range of services including HIV testing, COVID-19 testing, flu vaccinations, and connections to vital clinical and community resources. Walk-ins are welcome, and patient privacy is prioritized as only one family enters the unit at a time. It's equipped for wheelchair access, and while you're waiting, be sure to dress for the weather as the wait line and check-ins are outside. To find out when the mobile unit will be in your area, go to de.gov/mobilehealth. It's healthcare made easy and right at your doorstep.